Hi everyone. Today we will show you how to change your store name and domain name on Shopify. Updating these helps brand your business and makes your store easier for customers to remember. In your Shopify dashboard, go to Settings. You can find it in the lower left part of the screen. Click on it. Once you are in the General section, you will see Store Details. Select that option. Here, you can update your store name, store email, and store PIN. After making your changes, click Save. Now, to change your domain, click on Domains on the left side. Click here to manage your domain. If you have another domain you want to use, you can connect it here. To add a new domain, simply click this button. If you already have a domain, just click Add Domain. And that's it. Your store name and domain have been successfully updated. Your store now reflects your brand and is ready for customers to visit.